Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures daily chart, and we talked about this a little bit yesterday. What you didn't want to see if you were a bear at the end of the day was a candle that was A, green, and B, above the mid-band. Well, they did both yesterday. So an opportunity to close below the middle band. The bears let it kind of slip through their fingers. And now with Thanksgiving on the horizon and the holiday trade, there's a little bit of follow through this morning, and there's the opportunity for there to be a lot of follow through for the rest of the week. The only thing that's really going to counteract that for the bears is news. They need news. The only times we really hiccup down yesterday was on news. In a vacuum, this market will trade higher, period. Every key area that the bears have needed to hold over the last 7 or 8 sessions has been lost. Monthly pivot, 3 exponential moving averages, weekly pivots of various varieties, 9-day simple moving average, the blue line there, the mid band, the green line. I mean, this is very typical. So I'm looking for a couple of things as we head into today. First of all, if the bulls are going anywhere, they've got to get over 94. It's been a problem now for multiple sessions. You can see the resistance. It's been fairly consistent. We've traded as high as 90, 92.5 during the Globex tonight. If they get over that, though, I'm looking at 2106, 2107 as an area that we could potentially head to. If things really get holiday silly, we could head up to the upper band. Now, speaking of the bands, if we don't get a big move down, and there's nothing to say that we will, if we continue to hover around the middle band, which we've been doing now for 4 or 5 days, if that happens through the holiday week and through the end of the month, you're going to see this indicator down here, this Bollinger Bandwidth indicator, continue to get tighter and tighter and tighter. These bands will compress. Compression, expansion. I don't know if it's going to be up. I don't know if it's going to be down, but I know it's going to move. And that can make for a very nice directional trade, come December. So what I'm looking for today is, can the bears push it below the mid-band and close below? Can the bulls get over 94 and, see if somebody wants to, put, some momentum, behind what was a very nice two-sided day to trade yesterday. So we'll have to see how that goes. Over 94, the bears can press their advantage. If you break yesterday's lows, then the bears can push things down. So over 94, bulls can press their advantage higher and use the holiday to their advantage, which they typically and historically do. And the bears need news. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Have a very happy Thanksgiving. There won't be a webcast tomorrow. I will be back Friday morning. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back Friday morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.